What's going on, guys? It's Alex here. Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the motor that is on my Jon boat. And before this video begins, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to make sure you guys don't miss an upload. Hit that bell notification button, and make sure to drop a like on the video and comment what you guys want to see from me. Sorry for the lack of uploads, but now with quarantine, I'm hoping to post every week. And yes, I'm going to be doing the review on the lake over there through the GoPro, doing a top speed test and an in-depth review. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. Also, if the quality is bad, the lens is broken, so I can't really fix it. Leave some boat names in the comment section down below. I still need a name for the boat. Starting up. We're peeing. We're good. But got pool start, electric start. Big thing for it, it's the power trim. We're just gonna let it warm up a little bit. So yeah, we're planing right now. It does fly. As you can see, we're going upwind right now. Doing good. Now, of course, the speed will vary by, like, if you're going against the wind or with the wind or what kind of boat you have, but overall it should be the same. Going 9. Going 23. Trim it up a little bit. 25, 26. It looks like it's stopping on 26. And we're going against the wind right now. This seems to be the top speed, but we are flying. Yeah, the average is 26. But it's honestly really smooth. Like, I know Tohatsu isn't really a really known brand. It's kind of like a subset brand, but overall, it works good. I haven't had any problems with it so far. We're gonna go back the other way. There it is. But yeah, I'm gonna bass fish this lake. It's kind of a tough lake to fish. It connects to all other lakes. But I'm gonna definitely be uploading videos trying to fish this lake. I was supposed to fish a bass tournament the other weekend, but it got canceled because of the coronavirus. But yeah, let's go. Let's run back. It jumps the plane really quick. 23. 26. Yeah, 26 is maybe you could get into 27 pushing it if there wasn't much weight on my boat, but yeah, definitely 26 is its max top speed. But it is smooth sailing. A beautiful day out here. A front just came through. I can't wait to keep posting videos and keep you guys updated what I'm gonna do with this boat. Even with 2 people in the boat, like I had one of my friends, he's 250 pounds and he was in the boat, like right here, and we were still going like 20. This motor can push. And it handles amazing. Like it handles really good. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And please make sure to turn those post notifications on so you guys don't miss when I upload. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.